Ooh-wee. Still kind of good. And it tastes good too. Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. Do you see what we have on the menu? Curry shrimp with cheesy cornmeal. Yum. Yum, 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 you guys. I promise you, this is bomb. I cannot even lie to you. This is so good. It tastes better than it looks. Today we got curry shrimp, paying homage to Jamaica, okay? My mother used to always make cornmeal without cheese. She used to make cornmeal with curry chicken. And she doesn't eat meat right now. So I said, you know what, we're gonna do some curry shrimp with cheesy cornmeal. Look at that. Get into it. Get into it. All right, so let's get into this recipe. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Thank you to all our new subscribers and those who've been here A1 day one. Let's get into this recipe. All right, beautiful souls, let's get into the ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. All right, so you're going to need scallions, cilantro, parsley, and thyme, Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese, or whatever cheeses you like, diced potato and carrots, onions, hot pepper, I have habaneros, minced garlic, and an array of bell peppers, all diced. 2 cups of cornmeal, as you saw in the intro. We're gonna make some cheesy cornmeal, right? So that's what the cornmeal's for, as you saw in the intro. And you're also gonna need shrimp, okay? So those are the ingredients you'll need, and we're gonna get started on the cornmeal. I already have 6 cups of water boiling on the stove, salt water. I already added salt to the water. Once that starts to boil, we're gonna slowly whisk in the cornmeal for about 15-10 minutes so it doesn't have any lumps, and let's just get into it. Okay, all right, okay, all right. Cornmeal here, we're gonna go ahead and start whisking in slowly. And if you need more water, add it. Turn it down a bit. So while the cornmeal is doing what it needs to do, I'll continuously stir. Let's season up the shrimp while I watch my Lifetime movie, of course.
I haven't seen them around since this morning.
The shrimp is seasoned up. We're gonna get some butter in a pot to start searing these off, and in the meantime, we're gonna continuously stir the cornmeal so it doesn't get lumpy. And then once that's done, we're gonna take it off the heat, add cheese and all that good stuff. So let's get it. Short balance. All right, the cornmeal stove is off. We're gonna add in the cheese and the butter, or the smart balance. Parmesan and cheddar cheese. Use whatever cheeses you like. That is all done. It is so good, so good. Cheesy cornmeal, yum. All right, let's get over to these shrimp. That shrimp is done, nicely seared. All right, now we're gonna add in the potatoes and carrot, diced potatoes. Okay, everything was diced, fine diced. And I wanted to do that so that the curry cooks a lot faster. I added water to the pan that had the seasoned shrimp. Not too much water, we want the sauce to be thick. Adding more curry. Just taste of the sauce, it needs seasoning. All right, so we're gonna add one of my favorite seasonings. Gonna add a little more black pepper. It has great flavor though, but it needs salt to help bring out that flavor. I haven't eaten yet, so I am hungry. That's good. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. I'm not gonna add any more salt because the cornmeal has enough salt, and I want it to be balanced. I want this to be zesty and with a nice curry herby flavor, while the cornmeal has a nice cheesy, rich flavor. All right, let's check out this sauce. Oh, nice. Perfect. Try to get this closer to you so you can see. Turned off the stove. I'm gonna add the herbs. I want the herbs to taste nice and fresh in this as possible, to balance out the rich cheesiness of the cornmeal. All right, so I have some chili flakes here, and I'm gonna add in some hot oil. Be careful while doing this. I'm also gonna turn on the fan because it might smoke up the house a bit. This is the easiest way to make chili oil without burning it. At my previous job, I made chili oil and I burned it about 2 to 3 times at my last job working in a professional cafe kitchen. This way is the easiest way for you not to completely scorch your chili. And now all I'm gonna do is strain this and start to plate up. For your stars, you don't have to look so far. Watering the family tree, ever after happily. If the earth falls to the sea, in your arms is where I'll be. We already are, you and me. I put the chili oil that I made in this whole big hot sauce bottle. Stars, we already are, you and me. And I want to garnish with some parsley. Let's give this a taste. Ooh. I'm telling you, the flavor is so balanced. So good. My goodness. Ooh. Is it better than grits? Is it better than shrimp and grits? Your typical shrimp and grits. Yes. Absolutely. Maybe I'm biased because I love curry. I love Jamaican curry. I love cornmeal. Listen. The flavor, the herbiness that's in the curry is herby, zesty, a little sweet, has that nice coconut flavor coming through, and then the vegetables have a slight bite to it, cooked through perfectly, not too mushy. It pairs well with the soft and creamy. Well, I can't talk. It pairs well with the soft and cheesy cornmeal. So good. Definitely try this recipe, you guys. Absolutely delicious. The last plate I had was my mama's plate. Her plate came out the best. I plated all of our plates, but her plate, look, it be like that sometimes. Anyway, so good. Please give this recipe a try. Let me know down in the comments what you think of the recipe. And let me know just by looking at this if you think it is better than the original, the typical shrimp and grits. This curry shrimp with cheesy cornmeal. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you all for tuning in. God bless. So good.